Waterloo. Napoleon at Waterloo?
Yes?
Good afternoon, madam. May I speak to your mother?
You boys are from Westfield, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
They certainly teach geometry at the academy, don't they?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Also cleanliness.
What?
Ma'am, are you truly happy with your soap?
I beg your pardon?
Try Lily of the Valley. 4 ounces of pure happiness at only 25 cents a bar. Wonderful for bathing and showering and washing everything, including dogs, babies, and laundry. If you have a dog, baby, or laundry, ma'am, we'll be glad to demonstrate for you.
Really?
Oh, try a bar and you will, ma'am.
Westfield Academy sending out cadets to sell soap.
Oh, they didn't send us out, ma'am. It was our own idea. We're trying to buy equipment.
Equipment?
Yes, ma'am. Educational equipment. And this is the only way we can get it.
Selling soap door to door to buy equipment for your school. Practically infants dragging a mountain of soap behind them. Tracing rain and sleet, cold and heat, day and night. You poor dear boys, tramping up and down streets, washing dogs, taking in laundry. Why are you going through this torture? Yourselves? No. To your school. To buy equipment that your school so desperately needs, you'll do anything. Well, you've done enough. I'm going to see that all this soap is sold. And don't you worry about your school. I'm going to take care of that. And you, too. You.